natin. Now back to this second portion na pag-usapan po natin the Lent season, the fasting, the ano pang sinasabi mo doon, abstinence that we're gonna be observing, we're supposed to be observing, and we would like to give credit to BCBP for a very good program for this. Ang nasabing organisasyon na meron pong para po sa atin to give time, to encourage us to give time for to our creator up there, na mabigyan po natin ng kaukulang respeto at give time for our prayers and all these things. So anong nakaplano, anong mga programa po ng BCBP?
Well, actually we just launched the Be Honest, Tapat Dapat. It's now we're trying to form it from an advocacy going towards a movement, Manny. You know that you're also part of the BCBP. Although konti na lang full-fledged member na si Mr. Alcalde. Tapos yun, for this, so we are really geared and focused on to really promoting honest living, man. And that could be a good kumbaga thing also to think about or reflect on during this month of Lent or days of Lent. Have you been honest to our God, or have you been honestly giving good examples also to our neighbors?
Kung minsan di mo talaga, no, ang honesty is definitely one of the values na dapat at mahirap because dapat nakadisiplina talaga ang ikaw no mismo, no?
Yes.
To be honest with your wife, with your family and everything, no?
Even in business,
even in business,
yes.
Even in government, and sa lahat pong makasalamuha mong mga tao, then it would be good joining such an organization like this. Kung hindi man ma-complete, rather, hindi mo at all times, zero, eventually, you're gonna be following all this, ang sinasabi nating tinatayuan po ng movement, where you will be honest when others are not, you will be honest when others will not, and you will be honest when others cannot, no?
Yes.
So at least, no, no, there will be if you are joining, and then the activities, and probably become a member of such organization, then these activities will encourage you to be honest at all times.
Yes, tsaka na-notice mo, man, no? Yung mga honest people, parang gaang ng buhay nila, no? Sabi nga nila, 'di ba, he who lives honestly or with integrity lives securely. Yung parang wala kang kinakabahan, wala kang masyadong stress. Yes. So yun, man, it's like what you mentioned. That's now an advocacy, no, that we are really applying here in the BCBP, and besides the transformation of a person, of a businessman, and kumbaga yung conversion ng marketplace for Christ, no. Besides that, now we're creating this advocacy, we're making this advocacy kumbaga level up to a movement. Yes, which is yung nga, be honest, tapat dapat. Here in Iloilo, if you've noticed, if you go around, we've used the local language, no, local dialect. It's tampad dapat, no. So basta tampad lang ang life mo, pangabuhi mo, or you're living a tapat or honest life, magandang resulta.
So actually, ang sinasabi mo is, of course, kung minsan mayroon tayong in any cases na, rather, in some cases na medyo sa kabilang bahay mo, neighbor mo, I don't know if kung minsan mahirap din, no?
Yes.
Nahihirapan ka, especially in the city, pero we have to try because they are our brothers and sisters, no?
And speaking of the city, man, no, just to inform our viewers, Iloilo City has an ordinance making October Honesty Month.
Mayroon?
Signed ordinance na yun siya, Manny. Yung October, every year is an honesty month here in the city of Iloilo. So sabi nga ng ibang counselors, no, tsaka yung bakit October lang? Ibig sabihin November hanggang September pwede
yun isa tanong ko sana eh.
And so, this October dapat may mga activities lang geared towards this for more awareness. Yun ang minimi nila.
At least, no, isang month lang pala. But actually,
absuelto pala sila.
you're making a joke about that, no? October, but definitely ang punto po dito is to be honest at all times.
And honesty, speaking about Lent man, ako honest ako. Ayoko ng paborito ko yung tabagak tsaka pinamarahan.
Okay?
Kaya ngayon,
hindi ka nakakain.
Kakain ako ng karne. Kahit na Friday. Kasi ayaw kong karne.
Oo. Kasi
di ba sabi nila sa Lent daw, you abstain from things you really like to do and really like to eat. So ayaw ko yung karne. So ito lang pagkakainin ko kada Friday.
We have to face it, no. Sometimes may mga situations tayo na we're not really honest, no. Even ako, no. Lahat tayo mayroon, no. We tend to do things na I will probably not saying what have you done, no, probably, or anong totoo talaga, but again, mas maganda nga na nandun ka sa environment. Kaya I believe na ang environment po is malaking factor talaga sa atin.
Infectious yan, Manny. Yung paggawa ng mabuti, infectious yan. Paggawa rin masama, infectious rin. Yes. So bahala ka na kung saan ka magpapa-infect.
So kung minsan even pagtingin lang sa environment mo na yun
it affects your
yung
decision making, lifestyle.
Yung mga lalaki diyan pag may dumaan na mga sexing mga damit ng mga babae, grabe, no? Hindi lang kayo, pati ako tumitingin din.
So today's Women's Month, no? Actually ang ina-appreciate lang namin doon yung damit.
Damit lang pala.
Hindi babae din.
I see. So at least we are doing this. We are laughing and making this like that's a joke, but actually, seriously speaking, then we have to observe this value of having, or we can value honesty as part of our attitude, our behavior, probably. No?
Yes.
In the daily, in our daily activities.
So to learn mo how to practice this, maybe we could also invite them to a BCBP breakfast.
Yeah.
Yes, Saturday po yan. Pili lang po kayo. Kung dito kayo malapit sa may diversion, pwede kayo pumunta ng Diversion 21 Hotel. Pasensya na, promenade, no? Medyo ko lang. Tapos, meron tayo sa District 21 every Saturdays. Tapos, meron din tayo sa may Fig Tree. Yes. So, sige lang, kausapin natin si Attorney John. Si Architect Johnny, baka pwede tayo mag-BCBP breakfast dito sa promenade.
Ang tinatanong nila one time is BCBP, professionals lang at all of you who believe in Christ.
Yes.
Na Christians.
People who wants to transform the marketplace by winning the marketplace for Christ.
Oo, tama. No?
Yeah.
So, and I think there's no, when nandun kayo, most of them are having high positions in government, and they're joining, and probably owners of business, but it does not stop there, no? What I'm saying is it's open, Brother Joseph, to anybody
to be invited. Tsaka di ba we were talking prior to this interview, we're so governed by laws of man na we should always not forget na before the laws of man, we should always follow first the law of God. Kaya nga sabi namin ni Manny kanina, we were talking about the United Nations, puro lang laws of man pinag-uusapan doon, yung humanitarian, yung human rights violation, pero hindi nila alam yung violation nila sa Creator. Yun ang pinaka dapat inuuna. And yun nga, again, to learn such and be honest, have an honest living, try to be invited sa isang BCBP breakfast. Every Saturday lang yan, man.
Every Saturday, no?
Yes.
So, again, sa ating mga viewers, these are sinasabi po natin na value na dapat lahat tayo ay magkakaroon. Observing such activities na maaring magdala tayo sa ganyang attitude o daling makuha natin ang ganyang value.
Ganyang value lang man, lahat tayo, pati mga anak natin, sumunod, ibang-iba siguro mundo man eh. Ibang-iba siguro. Yes, baka walang brown out.
Oh. Kaya nga, di ba mayroong isang, I don't know where is that, no? Mayroong isang store na walang nagbabantay daw. Honesty store.
Yes.
Na pagpasok mo dyan, kuha ka, bayad mo.
Yes.
Honesty store, nakalagay naman yung presyo.
Tama.
I don't know where.
Parang nasa Benguet region, but we're trying to implement that soon in the BCBP, man. Na pagpupunta ka, bayad ka lang ng breakfast mo, hindi na namin kailangan maglagay ng tao to man that breakfast.
Okay, so again, we would like to thank you for joining us here sa Fridays at the Promenade. And of course, we'd like to thank you, Brad Joseph, for joining us always. Isang tawag lang natin palagi ay medyo short notice napupunta ka kahit na may sakit ng konti
yes.
It's very important that we discuss the issues and concerns, current issues and concerns, because kayo po dyan ay mabibigyan po ng update. Dapat alam nyo ang nangyayari sa ating sosyedad.
It's always a pleasure, man. And kung dadalhin mo man, kung invite nyo man ako, at napakaganda ng venue na to, talagang ma-overwhelm ka. Kaya kayo, punta na rin kayo dito sa Promenade. I-date nyo yung mga asawa nyo dito sa Easter. Kasi maganda, you can see the whole landscape of Iloilo from a bird's eye view, kumbaga. Again,
before you give the parting message, Brad Joseph, then yung mga may gustong mag-avail ng sinasabi nating solar, no? I hope you're one of the experts on that, and ang dami ka nang nadaluan ng mga international meetings and conventions as far as solar and renewable energy sources are concerned. Pwede po, no? Because you are peak power, and marami dyan ang gustong mabisitahan.
Yeah, hindi lang ako na-invite sa stakeholders meeting. Oh. Anyway, you can visit us sa Facebook at 7325-POWER. Or you can call us at 0917-638-0918. Or kahit nasa Barkadaan sa Iloilo, they'll be glad to refer you to me.
Yeah. Again, daily lunch buffet at the Promenade, it's 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. na. Dito po sa Promenade, ang sarap po. I don't know if Fridays ang Mongolian barbecue. Fridays. And of course, tomorrow night, 5:30 to 9:30 p.m. no? Ang very affordable indulgence dinner buffet, no? Dito. For reservations, of course, you dial 0917-700-3297. Again, reservations 0917-700-3297.
Kaya bukas yan, man, kasi hindi pwede ngayon. Hindi pwede mo indulge ngayon eh. Fasting.
Oo nga pala. Tama ka. No?
Kaya Saturday.
And on March 31, no? Ending the
Easter.
The Lenten season is the Easter. And we have the International Lunch Buffet on March 31, 2024. Again, very, very affordable, no? Sa may pera.
Tsaka yung view, talagang di mo mababayaran. Sobrang ganda ng view.
Okay.
Tsaka very comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. Hindi dito 42 degrees, ha, Adam? Parang 22 lang.
So medyo na-late ang ating program because nilakad lang ni Mr. Adam ang Pasig.
Wow.
Pasig City.
City to city, ha?
Oo, city to city. At maski pa paano, nakahabol tayo that you will not miss, of course, ang sinasabi nating Fridays at the Promenade. Our advocacy, of course, to give you updates, correct information, and whatever, no? Mga bagong balita as far as, again, ang be careful of the heat wave. Araw-araw, kailangan uminom ng enough water, at kung galing ka sa mainit na area, pagpasok mo sa bahay, not drinking the cold water. Delikado. Pwedeng pumutok yung ugat natin dito. As per advice of my cousin, Doktora Ardenles Regalado Garcia. Sa Metro Manila siya, pero nagbibigay din yan ng advice as far as our chat group sa family is concerned, no? Again, sa lahat po nag-join po sa programa natin itong Biyernes, Fridays at the Promenade, we will be giving you again more updates sa sinasabi nating topics na diniscuss natin kanina o ngayong araw na to, ngayong edisyon. Again, in behalf of my team, after pasalamat po natin kay Mr. Joseph Torwell ng Peak Power,
Yes.
sa lahat po ng nanonood, in behalf of my team, ang absentee po natin na co-host, Miss Princess Palmes, of course, ang ating flow director, Miss Bing Alcalde, at salamat po Mr. Adam at nakahabol ka dito sa programa. Again,
Mabilis
no?
maglakad si Adam.
Nagbilis maglakad from Pasig City to Iloilo City. This is your host, your friend, kasama po palagi sa Barkadan sa Iloilo, kapiyan sa Richmond Hotel every Monday, Barkadan sa Iloilo live Wednesdays at JT's Restaurant, and of course Fridays at the Promenade, Fridays dito po sa 4th floor ng Days Hotel. Ito po si Manny Regalado Alcalde. Until the next edition, bye-bye and magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Live honestly.
Yes.